Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Reddit videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and how creators are earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars each month doing this. You don't need any editing experience, expensive gear, or technical skills. It's super easy and takes just a few minutes to create a full video. I'll walk you through the most effective and beginner-friendly method using an amazing AI tool called AI Pro, which basically handles everything for you. The best part is, I've got a special discount link for you right below this video and also pinned in the top comment, so make sure to check it out and grab it before it's gone. Now let's jump straight in, and I'll show you step by step how to create Reddit videos and start making real money online quickly and easily. When you visit the website, you will see that it offers many different niches: AIUGC product videos, AIPOV, tech stories, and of course Reddit stories, which we will focus on today. Click on Reddit story, and you'll be taken directly to the video creation panel. The first thing we need is our Reddit post, so go to reddit.com and type in something like storytime or stories, whatever you like. These types of stories always do great on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Once you find something interesting, copy the URL of that Reddit post and return to the website. Paste it into the Reddit post URL field and click Copy Reddit Post. The story and most popular comments will appear immediately below. You can choose which comments you want to keep and which to remove, giving you complete control over the length of your final video. Now let's go over some customization options to make your video look clean and professional. On the Post tab, you can change things like the post template, your avatar, username, subreddit, or even the post title if you want to make it more catchy. Then head over to the BG section where you can set your aspect ratio. 9:16 is perfect for TikTok, and upload or adjust your background. In the Caption tab, you can move the text position, change fonts, and add effects to make your caption stand out just like those viral Reddit videos everyone's watching right now. And under Voice or Music, you can pick a voice that reads the story out loud or choose background music to set the mood. There are multiple AI voices, so you can test a few and pick the one that fits your style best. Once you've customized everything, scroll down and you'll see a summary of your project along with the option Edit Video After Creation. This lets you make small adjustments before the final render. When you're ready, click Render Final Video, wait a few seconds, and your video is done. You can then download it and instantly post it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or even Instagram Reels, all ready to go and optimized for engagement. Now let's talk about pricing, because that's one of the best parts. AI Cut Pro offers two plans: the Creator Plan and the Automate Plan, which includes more features and automation tools. Personally, I recommend the yearly plan because it comes with a big discount and saves you a lot of money in the long run. Even with the basic plan, you can quickly create tons of videos and publish them daily, which is how people grow entire channels and earn money from views or sponsors. Honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to make money with AI-generated content right now. If you want to start making money from popular Reddit videos without having to edit them or spend hours learning how to use new software, you should definitely try AI Cut Pro. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and fully automated. The discount link is right below this video and in the pinned comment, so take advantage of it before it expires. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more tutorials on AI and content automation, and comment below on what videos you plan to create first. See you in the next video. Bye.